Hello everyone, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss about the Kotlin programmings, and in this video we will discuss the starting from hello world to how to make the function, user defined function, how to take the input, fixed values as well as the user defined values, as well as we will also take the input from user as a user defined string, as well as the if else. It is the simply mean the control statement, and we will discuss the for loop and many loops, and how to make the user defined function and call and create and everything we will discuss in this video. So core Kotlin will be completed after watching that video. So let's start. And here the IntelliJ idea, simply you can say your first program is prepare, and it is your main file. So keyword fun and use the main is the nothing but main function, and hit enter. So the new line is come, opening and closing curly bracket, and it is the after main parenthesis. So take the output nothing but print, and inside the print take just a hello world. Hello, your output will come here like that, and add something hello E Academy 123 control S, and again run it from. You can also run from that thing. Okay, so output will come. Yes, your process of building again and again it is going on. Yes, in a few seconds. Yes, E Academy, but print, and if I take another output simple like that, hello world. Yes, and you can take nothing but yes, but if you take output some, then nothing but output will come in a single line. Okay, in a single line. Let a few seconds. Yes, hello world and E Academy 1 2 3. So I want to come in a another ln. You can add ln, you can l, and control S, then take the another output, then it will come in a new line. So it is a very beautiful thing in a Kotlin. So just wait, keep. Okay friends, just coming out. Yes, hello world, and yeah, it is very useful. Then now come here, well is the variable a equal to let's say 5. Okay, and again well equal to b equal to 6, ending by semicolon it is optional, and well c equal to a plus b, ending by semicolon it is again optional. Print ln, and if you only use the print, then new line will not initiated. So here the sum of $a, it is notation of variable, and $b. So here the value will reflect whatever the value stored in a and b will be same. The sum of a and b is what? $c. C is also variable. Okay, this is the very simple thing. And also I may take another well, and like the name. No, bam. Yes, name equal to shit. Name equal to, I am taking nothing but my name is Shyam Bhatia. Okay, and I want to also print, then just control D, and variable let's say my name is, and what is the variable name, so you will put here the name. Okay, control S, and just build it and run it. Okay, then you will find the 6 plus 5 is the sum is 11, and as well as the name is Shyam Bhatia. Yes, 5 and 6 is sum is 11, and you will find the name. So this is the operation properly. So also that control D, and like that you will 1 2 3. So it is I will take minus, and I will take multiply. Okay, all arithmetic operation you can do here, as well as, so you can see nothing but C, and let's say C1, and okay, and C2 operation. Okay, and C1, and nothing but C2, and so on you can say. But remaining operation you can perform easily, because I am not wasting time on it, and just plus minus and multiply. So not sum, it is the subtraction. Okay, subtraction nothing but of a and b, and the what is subtraction sum, and here I will took the product of A and B. Okay, control S and just run it again. Then output will subtraction is multiply 6 5 the everywhere 30. Yes, your all operation is coming here, so you can also add, but the thing is not that. Okay, so now you need the value where we can take the input from user. It is the static value, so it is not good for, but on the dynamic runtime we want to input the value. So what will I do? Nothing but yes, like that. It is very easy. So first of all, print ln, and inside enter the value of number 1. Okay, this is number 1, and now, and after that, that is the most important, friends. And now here you have to create the nothing but it will store like that A, and here you will write read line. Yes, this is the read line. Okay, and similar thing again, read line. This is A and B, and everything will be completed here. So A and B, enter the value of 1, so this much control, and again I will paste the another value and enter the number 2. So after the taking the value A and B, everything the operation will perform like that. Control S, this is the most important thing. So what is the error? Because here is showing the error, and how to do that? Because A and B, so check it whether the problem unresolved error and the semicolon 7. Okay, so don't put here semicolon. Okay, don't put here semicolon. Yes, and now redundant semicolon, and nothing but everywhere everything is fine, because it is the application mismatch, the candidate application. What is the problem? So just remove it only. Only plus operator, so nothing but print ln, and inside the put nothing but $C. It is the sum of what? Sum of $A and $B. So sum of A and B. Okay, I took it shift, and sum is nothing but this is the C. So control S, but the error is because read line here only take the input in a string format. So it is only the whatever you will enter the value 1 or 2, and then it will nothing but you will show the 12 1 plus 2, because 1 is also treating as a string, 2 is also treating as a string. So enter the number 1, so it is the output. So I am like that entering the 2 number and enter the 3, then output will be 5 for some, but here output will come 23. Let's see. Yes, 23. So what does it mean? It is simply mean the output is not working. Output is not working, only the string will working. So in that case you can also work as a string. So you can take here simply string just. Okay, but right now we will took the user defined input. Then what will happen? Go here and import the java dot util dot capital S and scanner. Okay, that's perfect. And after that come inside and create a object. Well, like in create a object, so I am creating a nothing but reader is your object. Whatever you can make the object, it is a user defined from what? Scanner. Scanner dot or scanner, and inside the system dot in. So it is nothing but for input. Okay, for input, and with the help of reader we will create the number 1. So how to create the variable where, let's say number 1, and how to create that? With the help of reader. So reader dot next int, next int, okay, and call the parenthesis. So number one are ready to hold the value whatever the user will input. Okay, so what will I do? Here I can take the input from user, println, and I will call user enter number one. Okay, enter the number one, and that value will store in number one. And similar thing friends. So this will you have to remove everything because it is not useful. So similar thing, another enter the values and again copy and again paste and enter the number 2, and what will the value again copy and create the another variable. How to do that? Number 2 and next int. Okay, perfect. And now that you can say number 1 and number 2, so you have to add nothing but number 1 and here number 2. Okay, perfectly. And see, so it is the nothing but number 1, you have to copy and paste, control V, and in other video what is the significance of warning and yes. Okay, enter the number 1. So I am entering the number 4, yes, and enter the 3. Then sum is 7. Yeah, sum is 7. 4 and 3, the sum is 7. So the user defined input we can take it. Yes or no? Yes, it is the most important things. So it is the value of user defined values. So I will remove it. I will remove, and all operation plus minus division multiply and remainder you can do everything. Okay, remove it, and something like that. And well, one, this is the scanner and reader. So okay, control Z. I will enter the number 1 because I need that. Okay, this is number 1, or simply take the value of way, then your value will be stored. And take here the most important thing, if control statement A, or you can say just control Z. I am taking both input, that's all, only the remove it. Okay, and here if you can say the number 1, yes, number 1, control C, whatever you will store number, control statement, and less than equal to number 2. Okay, and if this is the true, then body of will execute and give the println, and inside you will you will tell that control V is what, less than control number 2, and followed by what, followed by dollar, and else. And if it is not, then else, the body of else will execute it. So copy and paste the whole to saving your time friends. And is not, you can use not, less than, yes, it is the control statement, control S and run again. Okay, then in a few seconds it will run, and if else body will run or whatever, yes, enter as soon as, yes, enter. I will enter 5. This is the greater number, and I will enter the second, this is the least number. So hit enter, then 5 is not less than, and it is also true, so it is the control statement in it. Okay, and now remove that, and I will take the another values. I will take another, nothing but just like for loop. Inside for loop you can, and here you will type in, well, equal to create any list. Let's say you can say list, and inside the okay, without list, and inside the list give many like that, whatever you name. So before that mutable, because mutable list, because we can add, and here the string, the value of we are taking the string and pass the value of all strings. Let's say Sham by followed comma, and again Bhatia. Yes, and our channel name, let's say E Academy 123 and etc. Whatever you need, then everything input it, and it is okay or not. Just go to the print ln, and inside you will take the print the list. Okay, then you will take the print, but this is the list. Okay, and now you will take the everything what we need, and now don't take it. First of all, your list will display, and inside the for loop, let's take name or element what in what list we are taking from the list, and just it is the for loop body, and inside the print let's say print ln ln, and inside the ln take the every name, what name is fetching that from here. Okay, it's perfect. Control S and give the all name, all element in it will be displayed here. Okay, just I am running it, so in a few seconds all things will appear on that terminal. Okay, so just output is coming here. Yes, Sham Bhatia and if you want to the particular list and particular name, then pass the index, whatever the index like that 2, then the output will come E Academy. Control S and take the output. Control S and take the output. So the E Academy output only, the whole list will not appear. Okay. Yes. Hello world, and after that only E Academy 1 2 3. So the placing of that thing. Okay. This is very easy and precious thing as you take in a few seconds. Now another example of the also for loop, just copy and Control D. Okay, take it another, and you can also take, let's say I or any variable a I, and what in 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, yeah 1 to 20, 1 to 2, let's say 10 I am taking. So the value of I will print here, the value of I will print here in easy way. Yes, Control S, and I think I will you will remove that thing hello world and etc. because the output will easy, and Control S. So 1 to 10 output will come line by line. Okay, yes, up to 10, and you can 2 multiplied by, then your table will also print. Okay, your table will also print. So in that sense you can do everything whatever. Yes, multiplied by 2 is output, so I am coming here, and now you can also take the name of that thing. So just Control Z. So this is my list. Where is my list? And just this for loop, remove it. I have removed that for loop, and you can type nothing but, so it is nothing but remove everything, remove, and here type the for loop again, for loop from what I, and type in 1, starting from 1, and how much until let's say 10, until the spelling is mistake, until okay, and create the body of for loop and print inside the nothing but print ln the value of what I. Okay, so it will also work a for loop in that sense. So cut it, and your process is coming in a few seconds. Yes, output will come here, and yes, up to 9 until, so 1 is included and 9 is not included. Okay, so in such a case you want to do that, then you also use in that manner your for loop. And now you can also use our just Control Z and take our output what yes, this is the mutable, and the remove is okay. Just I am removing that list, and I want to add in list dot add, I want to add 2 values in it. Let's say 1 Ujjain and comma inside London. Okay, everything value is coming here, and now take it in print ln bracket and put the under bracket. Okay, so after that, doing that, you can use like that. So it is not working properly index, and so leave it and remove it. Add, and inside the pass, add just like I want to add the Eugen. Okay, this is I want to, and further after that operation you have to print that. So Control S and just run it. So your list operation will be performed like that, and it is very easy and very funny way you can, because it is the mutable thing. So yes, please keep it, and here your output will coming here. So hello world and true, because it is the true. Print ln it returns true. So this will value Control X and put here, and you can store it list equal to and nothing but, and print the list value. Okay, print the updated list, you can say, nothing but. So friends, so now I will add nothing but just the problem is going on. So the list dot add, this operation I have perform it. Okay, and now take the whatever it is added or not. So let's use the for loop, and inside the for loop let's say name and what in, and again our list. Okay, and now take the output of our for loop, print ln, and pass the value of what, name, whatever the name. So how many times it will iterate. So Control S and just run it. So Ujjain are added, whether Ujjain are added or not, so it will show here. So just wait a few minutes, not few seconds. Yes, Sham Bhatia and Ujjain in this list are also added. So in such a way we can edit R. And now we will take the user defined input as a string you can user defined input. So remove it, and here nothing but same thing. So here you will like that create a well, and nothing but reader which we create in integer sense. So and type here string, and here nothing but what, we have to use the scanner, and everything will be same, whatever system dot I in. Okay, and hit enter. Yes. So what is the problem? And at that time, so just keep it, we will use in, this is the scanner. And now on that behalf, and we will create the variable that is the nothing but string 1, you can say, and this is used for reader dot, you can say, two string are many thing are coming here. So I will use the next only it will accept the string. Okay, that's perfect. Or string you can also use that. So this is string, then I will take print and enter the string, you can say string value. Yes, in, and that value will stored in it. So Control X and put here, and now the take the print out. What will you print sheet. So just Control S and take the input. I am running, in a few seconds it will run, so just keep it. So the yes, your process is going on and it will finish. So prompting us enter the value. So I am value entering Sham Bhatia and hit enter. Then your only taken up to the space. So after the spaces it will broken. So you have to again concatenate, and so you have to, if you take, then just copy and again paste, and here string 2, and here you will enter your surname. Control C, that much thing I I will show here like that, and here also string 2, and I will enter the string 2 value, let's say. So yeah, enter string surname, whatever you want to do that. Control S and take the input, then both value will display. So it is taking too much time, so let's yes, in a few seconds. Yes, enter the value. Let's say I enter Sham, and here's in the Bhatia, then here Bhatia is shown here. So in this way we can operate it. And now most important thing, yes, like that, well equal to 3, yes, and type here Sham, and this is the our function, and make it function outside the main function. Not, it is Python, so fun, and your function is name is Sham. Open and curly braces and enter print ln, and type inside this is another function. Okay, and everything, subtraction, division, or whatever you want to do, everything you can do inside that location. So you can say well equal to 2, and well equal to 3, and you need well equal to C is equal to A plus B, nothing but, okay, shit, A plus B, and let's say print ln, and inside the print ln pass your sum $C. Okay, then sum will, but it is the calling inside the main function, and whatever your project requirement, you can do anything, any explain it, expecting property received 5 wait, nothing but no, 5 line, yes, well equal to 3, but it is not defined. So just print it, print ln, and value just print, nothing but you didn't assign the value, whatever, let's say num1. Okay, this is num1, and num1 print. Okay, num1 dollar, put before dollar, so control S and take the output. So nothing, what is the value, num1, well num1, what the thing, why, no problem, it will run it, because yes, here the property name or receiver type. Okay, so how to do that, just remove it, friends, because I am calling here. So your error is again same, just control Z. So error is where, in which line, 12 line is what, okay, I didn't give the name A, and I will give the name B. Okay, and now the error will finish, there is a no error, only the, and just run it, your program will executing, and your output will 3 plus 2 5, and here 3 will okay, and yes, hello world 3 and sum is 5 expected, and this is the function making, how to do that, this is the most important thing which we need. Okay, and remove the function, and also remove the function, and create a well, and a name, and equal to name, I can put inside the, let's say Sham, but yeah, this is our string, name1 string, but I want to update that string. So how to do that, nothing but name dot to uppercase, yes, to uppercase, it is your uppercase, and now just print ln, what will your string, name will print, control S and take the output, yes, then the uppercase, the whole string Sham Bhatia will become in a uppercase, and if you make it, yes, there is no problem, nothing but you can take leave it, nothing but print ln, put the parenthesis, and again that parenthesis, control S and take the output, then in that case output will come just nothing but the uppercase. Yes, you. And now that again take the control D and two lowercase, है ना? Yes, two lowercase. Yes, and this case will remove. Yes, this control S, and everyone will be in small letters.